These are motion activated lights, and they are under cabinet lights. They come with a magnetic base and pads that you can stick and then stick it up underneath your cabinet. Over here I've got one already done, and it's got a photo cell right here that senses movement, and it turns on. It'll stay on for 20 seconds, or it'll cut off after 20 seconds of no motion. I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see how bright it is. And it's a good light to add a little bit of accent under your cabinets or the areas that are dark typically. And you can just wave your hand, or it picks you up as you walk by and it turns on. So as you can see, the light's off, and as I get closer, it'll turn on. And if it, yep, there it goes. And if it doesn't, I was gonna say you can just wave your hand underneath it and it'll turn on.